The temperature was 7 degrees, the dew point 3, with a relative humidity of 85%. The wind was northwest at 17 miles an hour, gusting to 23, producing a wind chill of -12. The pressure was 30.0 inches and steady. Elsewhere, across North Dakota, snow was falling with a temperature of 6. At Bismarck, precipitation was falling with a temperature of 2. At Jamestown, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 2. In Minnesota and Park Rapids, snow was falling with a temperature of 8. At Detroit Lakes, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 4. At Fergus Falls, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 7. At St. Cloud, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 18. At Minneapolis, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 32. Elsewhere over the region at Winnipeg, snow was falling with a temperature of 7. In Sioux Falls, blowing snow was reported with a temperature of 10. Once again at noon at Fargo, snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile, and the temperature was 7, with a wind chill of -13. At Moorhead, white snow was falling, reducing the visibility to 3/4 of a mile, and the temperature was 7, with a wind chill of -12. You're listening to NOAA's National Weather Service radio station WXK42, operating at a frequency of 162.475 MHz, transmitting from tower facilities in Romania, weather rate for the Fargo area. Current time is 12:18 p.m. Standard Time. A message for the following counties in the Clay, Norman, and Wood, and the county in North Dakota. Richland, Steele, Hill. What? Blizzard conditions. Additional snow accumulations between 2 and 6 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northwest and west central Minnesota and northeast and southeast North Dakota. When? Until 6. Monday. Visibility on the low 1/4 miles due to falling and blowing snow. Whiteout conditions are expected and will make travel treacherous and potentially life-threatening. Plan on slippery road conditions. Whiteout conditions will make travel extremely dangerous or impossible. Gusty winds can bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Persons should consider delaying all travel. Motorists should use extreme caution if travel is absolutely necessary. A message for the following counties in North Dakota, Barnes and Ransom. What? Snow and widespread blowing snow. Additional snow accumulations up to 2 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northeast and southeast North Dakota. When? Until 9 p.m. Next, plan on slippery road conditions. Falling and blowing snow. Frequent. Tree. The winds can bring down tree branches. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The road conditions for the state you are calling from can be